Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to post your game on itch.io. So first off, obviously you need to build your game, because if you don't have an APK of your game, that means you can't post on itch. So to build your game, do Control Shift and then B, and then make sure you switch to Android. Press the switch platform. Make sure run devices on all compatible devices and texture compression ASTC. Once your game's turned into an APK, what you want to do is go to itch.io. If you already have an account, log into that. Press this arrow right here. Press upload new project. Name it whatever, so yeah, just to add a description. You need to either do draft or restricted first off. There you go. So you have your itch page now. You could just go back to edit game, then set it to public. So now this is for everyone to see. You want to actually upload your APK. First off, has to be under 1 GB. You can contact itch if you need more space, which you don't really need. Basically, just press upload files. Then obviously there's a APK example. Once you know it's uploading, this will do. Wait for it to finish, and then just press save. And yeah. But yeah, just right click here. Sorry for that delay. Oh, I'm using the actual app, so I have to right click and then just press copy. Go to your Discord server, then just do in that everyone ping. Here you go. And yeah, anyways, that's how you upload your game to itch. And yeah, see ya.